Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working with RPGSHOW. They sent me this beautiful wig that you see on my head now. This is one of their newer wigs. It's a 3D glueless Maxipart wig. It is a 10x6 glueless Swiss lace wig and it is just so beautiful. And it's mahogany brown color and it is so pretty. Now with the Maxipart wig, you get more lace space so that you are able to do wider and deeper parts. This wig has a snug fit without glue. It has an elastic band and a drawstring at the back so that you can get a very snug fit, perfect for your head. It is glueless. It comes with removable combs. It also has like the little ear shape so that you don't have to worry about your wig rubbing on your ears. I'm going to show you guys on my head before I install the wig, but I just wanted to show you guys the little cap. Basically the cap on this wig, they sent me like an extra little cap to show you guys. You get all of this lace parting. You can do deep side parts. You can do a middle part going 6 inches back, so you get 10 across, 6 going back. And then this is what the drawstring in the back looks like. You can tighten it, you can loosen it so that it fits perfectly to your head. This is going to be a very quick install because it's glueless. Before we move on to the install, this wig is 20 inches and it's also 180% density. Also features a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots. Do y'all see the knots? Because I don't. They're invisible. Let me just show you guys that it is glueless. I'm just going to take my comb in. There's no glue under there, okay? I didn't put any glue. No glue.